You searched how to buy shares of TEGNA Inc. TEGNA is a U.S. broadcasting and digital media company that operates local TV stations and online properties. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TGNA. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy TGNA, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document. You will also need to add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TGNA to locate the company listing. Select the result that clearly shows TEGNA Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the TEGNA asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart. Double-check the company name, sector, and the TGNA ticker to confirm this is the right listing. Click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, the trade may execute when markets reopen. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your TEGNA position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this demo.